Alrighty, good morning everyone. Today is Thursday, August 9th, and today I am going back to college. So, I have had a pretty hectic morning already. Oop, let's get that lying back. I've had a pretty crazy morning already. I've had to pack up a bunch of stuff, clean up a bunch of stuff, and I've also got to take this little kitty over here. Let me see if I can show you. Hey. Yeah, that guy. Anyways, I've got to take that cat back to his owner. I've been pet sitting him for about the past month or so. So I'm gonna drop him off, go to the leasing office, pick up my keys, and start moving in. So wish me luck. Y'all, so I just got to the leasing office. I just dropped the cat back off, which I'm actually super sad about because I had him for like a month and we grew pretty close together, so that was kind of sad, but it had to be done. So yeah, I'm about to go pick up my keys and start moving in. I didn't even show you guys my car. That's about everything I've got with me so far. You're probably wondering, why do you only have 2 bags? And funny story is I had to move out of my old place on the 31st and I couldn't move into this place until today, the 9th. So I had like this awkward gap between my moving dates. But luckily my friend who lives in the same complex that I'm moving into was kind enough to let me store all of my stuff there. So my whole entire apartment is in her apartment. And so I just got her key and I'm gonna start moving stuff as soon as I get the key to my actual apartment. So yeah, just a quick little update and I'll talk to you soon. Alright y'all, just got my keys, so let's go ahead and head on inside and see what this place looks like. Alright, just got inside, so let's go ahead and do a quick little empty apartment tour. So here's my door where you come in. Pan over here. I guess we'll start this way. Here's the living room. Got a little closet right there. Then this is really nice. We have a balcony going outside. It's the living room. Have some built-in storage, which is always really nice. I got this little divider here. Then we walk over here. Got the dining room. Then this little, I don't know, eating area, question mark. Might get some bar stools to put right there. And we've got the kitchen over here. Yep, all that good old-fashioned kitchen stuff. All right, moving along. Here's the first bedroom. This is going to be my roommate's room. It's a little dark in here. Let's see. There we go. Bathroom, and I think the closet's in there too. Don't want to get too much into their stuff. All right, then we've got some stairs. So this is really cool. This is actually like a 2-floor apartment. Sorry about the quality of this video, by the way. I am a dummy and I packed up my filming camera, so I'm filming on my iPhone right now. All right, oops, okay. Where's the light? Okay, here's the bathroom. Another bathroom, there we go. All right, so we've got sink area, medicine cabinet. Let's see. All right, yeah. Toilet, bathtub, all that good stuff. Awesome. And then here is my room. So, is there a light switch in here? Maybe? No? Are there not lights in here? Okay, that's cool, I guess. I just realized there's no overhead lighting in this room. There's a switch right there, so that's interesting. Okay. Then here's the closet. Oh, can't see anything in here either. Awesome. There's the lights. Oh, no, there's the light. Okay, there we go. So, back up. Closet, nice little walk-in closet. This is awesome. I have never had a walk-in closet before, so that is really cool. But yeah, that is about it for now. I'm gonna start bringing stuff and unpacking. So talk to y'all later. Hey everyone, back again. Clearly very sweaty and gross. In the process of moving all of this stuff to my apartment, so wish me luck. Alright y'all, so I am coming at you many hours later. Sorry I didn't film much of the actual moving in process because I was moving a bunch of stuff around. But made some progress. Got a, I don't know if you can see, yep, got a bed in here. Starting to get some clothes into the closet. Let's see, yep, got some things hanging up. Definitely making some good progress. But I'm gonna hop back to it. Talk to y'all later. Alrighty, hey y'all, good morning, or I guess I should say good afternoon. It's actually like 5 o'clock. It's been a long day. But yeah, I just stopped filming yesterday because I was so busy with unpacking and setting everything up. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys all of the progress that I made. Day 2 of moving in. And I'm in my bathroom area right now, so I guess we can start there. Alright, so you guys didn't even get to see what this area looked like yesterday, but let me tell you, it is definitely a huge improvement. There I am in the mirror. Hey, maybe it'll focus. There we go. There I am. Hi. So yeah, I've got a lot of things set up. Got stuff going down here under the cabinet, just extra toilet paper and whatnot. Then on the counter, got my toothbrush, toothpaste, cotton balls, all that good stuff, facial stuff. Still got a couple more things to add up here, but this is definitely coming together a lot better. So we will go ahead and turn that light off and come down here to my room. And you guys saw what it looked like yesterday when I was moving in. Totally empty, so this is definitely a huge improvement. So I've got lots of empty boxes from all of the moving. I've got my TV stand set up over here with my TV and all my decorations and everything. And let's see, coming over here, I've got this cute little table that was actually my nightstand in my old apartment. But I think I'm gonna keep it over here and keep this record player on this table in front of this window. And yeah, I got my camera box right there. I literally just opened up you guys and brought you guys out. Then going over here, this corner is obviously a huge mess, but I'm hoping to make it a little cuter. I'm just gonna have some pillows and blankets and just make it kind of a cute, cozy corner. Then panning over, we've got my bed. Not much to see there. I really need to get a bed frame, but that'll come in a bit. Then you can look over here. I've got this really cute, if it'll focus, there we go. Got this really cute golden shelf. I actually bought this from IKEA and then spray painted it gold, so that was really fun. And I've had this since last year too. So I've just got a bunch of stuff set up, binders, notebooks, Harry Potter box series. And yeah, definitely gotta clean up the top of this shelf because it's a mess, but you know, that'll happen later. Then coming over, got my closet. I've got this little over the door hook. Again, this needs to be organized better as well, but just got a bunch of bags on there. And then coming in here, goodness gracious, thank the Lord I have this walk-in closet because I certainly needed all the space. Got all my shoes and everything set up, all my clothes I still need to unbag. Got my laundry hamper, shoes, baskets, all that good stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much all of the progress that I've made. I'll definitely still be working on making this room look a little better, but yeah, just a quick update for you. Peace out. Hey y'all, welcome back to day 3 of move in. Forgive my appearance, it's been a long past couple of days, but we're making progress, we're getting there. So today was actually pretty busy. My parents came down to deliver some stuff to me, which was super nice of them. So I've got a few more things that I'll show you here in a second. But yeah, I guess that's it. Let's just get into it. Alright, so starting at the door, this is what things look like. Still got my TV stand there, I got some lights on the floor, but this is new. I've got my mini fridge that I bought my freshman year of college, so I've got that back with me. Go over here, this corner looks pretty much the same. I've got my paddles down there I need to hang up. Then this corner, again, pretty much about the same, but if you hadn't noticed, the lighting is significantly better because I've gotten a lamp, so that is awesome. Got this blanket quilt thing on my bed now, and yeah, other than that, I think Closet's still looking about the same. Oh, nope, I got a mirror, so that's new. But yeah, that's about it for room updates. All right, so yeah, that is pretty much everything that I have to show you. And honestly, I think I'm just going to end the video here, just because the next few days are going to just be more of the same, unpacking and whatnot. But if you'd like to see a full room tour once I'm done with everything, leave a comment down below. I would be happy to film that for you once I'm done. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!